Healthy Lifestyle Crib presents 10 tips to enhance your personality and become more attractive. Some of us are concerned that people dislike us. Some wonder why. Is it because of the way you look? Do you stink? Talk too much? Are you uninteresting? You're wrong if you think attraction is about grooming, fashion, and genetics. Your personality matters more than your appearance. Of course, you might need to improve your hygiene. Yet, you might also need to work on your social abilities. Personal growth doesn't end at age 25 despite what the internet and society might have you believe. It doesn't matter how old you are, there is always potential for development. In both your personal and professional life, improving yourself can make you live a more satisfying, happier life and attract more people to you. Here are a few brief suggestions for improving your attractiveness through personal growth. Number 1. Be genuine. They'll know if you're only pretending to listen. Do not pretend. Be sincere. Being insincere is a major turnoff and will cause people to avoid you. Don't act overconfident, try to market oneself, or give false praises. Be the most real version of who you are. You don't have to try hard to make people like you. The authentic you makes quite an impression. People will be attracted to you more because of how honest you are with yourself. It's what you think about yourself that matters, not what others think. You don't have to impress others. Impressive is the genuine you. Number 2. Make an effort to connect with others. If you're an introvert, this may be especially harder. But people will notice if you try to avoid them. You might seem uninterested in other people, cocky, rude, and not very attractive as a whole. Now go out and practice those social skills. Again, don't overdo it with weekend parties, book clubs, and new relationships. Maintain a balance between personal time and time spent with others. Actively looking for something is the missing piece of the puzzle here. Don't just talk to people in places like the grocery shop, work, or school. Keep an eye out for interesting upcoming events. Ask other people if they would want some companionship or if they would like to go out for coffee. Like everything else in life, the more you practice, the better you will get. Number 3. Do not doubt. Confidence requires overcoming self-doubt. This doesn't mean you shouldn't think about your choices or admit your mistakes. It just means you don't have to worry about whether or not you're good enough. To get rid of doubt, you have to know for sure that you are smart, capable, and attractive enough. Trust yourself. Use what you've learned and what you've experienced. Don't hesitate to act. Take a stand for what has to be done, then take action. These skills will boost your leadership abilities, a desirable characteristic. Number 4. Improve your communication skills. Even if you're an introvert, socialization is the only way to establish new friends and strengthen existing ones. You don't have to change who you are or stop taking time for yourself totally, but you should make an effort to develop your social skills. If your body language is open and positive, you will seem more friendly and interested. Make direct eye contact. While maintaining consideration for others' personal space, lean slightly forward. Smile. Instead than just sitting there and waiting for your chance to speak, try practicing active listening instead. See how individuals express their thoughts and feelings to you. Listen without interrupting. Find something you have in common with someone you want to talk to. Have a mental list of icebreakers handy to help you break the ice and make small talk. Talk about books, movies, or TV instead of the weather. What local restaurants do you like? Ask questions, especially if it seems like the conversation is ending. Keep on topic on something the other person likes. Ask them what they like, what they believe, and what they did recently, but respect their privacy. Even if you're beautiful, you'll struggle to advance in your profession and relationships if you don't have certain communication skills. Number 5. Keep your word. Others will view you as unreliable if you frequently cancel arrangements, change your mind at the last minute, or break your promises. They will stop discussing their lives with you and stopping turning to you for help with key issues in their lives. If being reliable is hard for you, try being consistent in other parts of your life. Consistency means doing things the same way over and over again. Create healthy habits and routines. Get your goals done. Find success by being responsible for your actions. Then, people will furthermore hold you accountable. If others are aware that they can count on you in times of need, they will be more drawn to you. If you want long-term partnerships, you must be reliable. Number 6. Take care not to be aggressive. Are you bossy or controlling? Do you think you strive for perfection? Are you accused of micromanaging? Do you become irritated when things go wrong? These characteristics are unattractive. There are moments when you must be forceful, especially if you are in a position of leadership. But there is a clear line between being confident and being mean. Rage and violence are significant turnoffs, both emotionally and professionally. Be respectful of other people in your behavior. If you are rude or pushy, people will avoid you or even start to dislike you. Number 7. Try to stay calm and don't panic. It can be hard to manage interactions with others. Be cool when your fight or flight reflex kicks in. Take a slow, deep breath and keep going even if your heart is racing or you want to shout. It takes practice to be emotionally intelligent and balanced, but if you can master composure, people will respect and admire you. You can chat to some people about your worries, but don't emotionally dump or get angry. Being able to make clear decisions under pressure is admirable and makes you more attractive. Number 8. Be optimistic. Gratitude can boost your mood and boost others. If you can find delight in life's little things, you'll be an asset rather than a burden. Negativity only brings you down. Negativity and whining are not attractive qualities, and they will turn others away. Complaining without action makes you appear weak and useless. With a little effort, you can attract positivity and hope. Number 9. Take it easy. Light humor is usually welcome, especially in awkward situations, and demonstrates you're not dull. When things don't go as planned, taking life too seriously sets you up for disappointment. Caution might help keep you out of trouble, but it can also make you appear gloomy and unwilling to embrace life on the edge. If you take things in a humorous vein, you might just make someone smile. Find the right balance between being funny and being rude, and don't be mean. You can make your conversations more fun by thinking of funny stories to tell. People are easily entertained by a good story, and they'll be forever grateful if you take the time to prepare some genuine laughter. Number 10. Live your own life. Of course, don't completely disregard other people because they are important as well. But you're the main character in your life. Pursue your goals. Discover your passion. Be you. What functions for some people won't necessarily function for you. So, stop wishing you could switch places with the people on Instagram and Facebook. Many individuals worry about what others think, which wastes time and leaves you empty even after you acquire it. Instead, put your attention on the things that make you happy. Find out who you are and what you enjoy doing. Your enthusiasm and purpose will draw people to you. It takes time to improve your life, especially your personal development. Focus on maintaining a more beautiful personality and you'll succeed. As you progress, charisma will become easier. Your personality today does not necessarily reflect who you will be in 10 years because social skills can be learned. Take charge of your life, and people will love your confidence, passion, and drive. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help us make more. Subscribe and click the bell for more videos like this. Watch our other videos as well if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.